Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Hot 30 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to, not to the very bottom, no, we have to start with My Phone section, so you will find it at the top of the list. So let's tap on My Phone, and here we have to find a special number which is called build number, and it is right here, as you can see. So all we have to do right now is to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Now we can go back to the settings, and right now we can scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. So let's tap on it, and here at the bottom of the list we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the background check or the process limit. We can manage the USB audio routing, show view updates. We can manage some options which are connected with the animation. With the visual feedback for tabs, we can show tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth, because here we've got also the USB and Wi-Fi. So basically those are options connected with the networking, etc. So quite a lot of options, and if you want to turn on the option, it works just like in the regular settings. So simply tap on the switcher and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options. If you're done with customization of developer options and if you want to turn them off, simply go to the, or you basically do not have to go to the top of the list, because as you can see, this switcher which I'm looking for is pinned at the top, so it will always be visible. And basically tap on the switcher, your device will inactive most of the available options, not all of them but most, and after getting back to the system settings, the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.